See this, let capital G comma star be a group of order P where P is a prime number, then the number of proper subgroups of G is. So which means they are asking about the proper subgroups. So what is proper subgroup? A subgroup which is not trivial. So what is trivial? The group itself as well as the set containing only identity element, right? So let's try to solve it. Now they are saying that order of the group G is P where P is a prime number. Now they are asking about how many subgroups, proper subgroups will it have, right? So let's talk about the subgroups it can have. Now let us say H1, H is a subgroup, right? Then what are the possible orders for that H? Now whatever you take this H as the subset of G, the number of elements present in H should always divide the P. Now since P is a prime number, what are the numbers less than or equal to P that can divide P? Only 2. So which means either it is 1 or P. Are you getting this? See, simple. Let us say we have a group of order 7, which means there are 7 elements. Okay. And now what are the numbers that can divide this 7? So there are only 2 numbers that can divide this 7, either 1 or 7. These are the only 2 numbers that can divide this 7, right? Therefore either the subgroup should have 1 element or 7 elements and no other way. So you cannot have a subgroup of size 2. The reason is 2 cannot divide 7, right? So we have to have only the divisors of P, and only the divisors of P less than or equal to P are 1 and P. Therefore the only subgroups which are possible of this group G will be either this set containing the identity element or the entire group itself. But then these two are trivial, but then you cannot find out any other subgroups. Therefore the number of proper subgroups is 0. The number of proper subgroups of a group with prime number order is 0. Okay, so how did we solve it? Lagrange's theorem only. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.